Let me take you through the setup, what I have on my charts, so you all can understand how the system works, what indicators to use, and how each indicator adds value to this method. So let me start first by adding each indicator one by one, and you can see what all I have on my chart. First, I will be adding the auto pivot. Before adding, I think everybody should be having all the indicators from post 1 on the MetaTrader. If you do not know how this can be done, maybe you can need to check some help or take somebody who has some experience. So I will be starting from when all the indicators have been added. So now you add the auto pivot. In auto pivot, you change this data, use Sunday data to false and all the rest as default. So there you have it. Now next we will add the Legwire, and the indicator which I'll be using is a Legwire ACS1. This you can press OK. You have the entry Legwire. Next we add one more instance on this window again, but with slight changes in gamma settings and the color to differentiate. So now you have got the Legwires. Next we will go for the MACD. This is the same MACD what I have on post 1. This is default. We increase the width so that it's little bit more clearer and more darker. You'll see this once I say OK, and there you have it. You have the MACD done. Next would be to add the Bollinger Band. This is just to know what is the direction of the trend, whether it is oversold, it is overbought, and from what levels I can sell it or I can buy it. It is basically, it gives me a visual indication of if the trend has over exhausted itself, if it is giving me a pullback to buy again, or it is giving a reversal. Each person interprets this data differently, so it is up to you whether you would like to have it or not. After this, I'll be adding the moving averages, and the moving averages what we use are two. One is the 200 exponential, and we'll be adding one more moving average, and we'll change the color to blue, 60 moving average. This gives me a fair idea of what the trend of the market is and where the prices are heading to, and what my support and resistance levels are. I will be explaining in detail later on about all the indicators, what it does, how it does, and what I look. As of now, we are just adding all the indicators. We have basically added everything. I'm just going to add one more indicator which will give me a visual confirmation that the trade what I'm going to take is right or wrong. Please do not take this as the only indicator to go long or short. This is just a visual confirmation. You need to see if the Legwire and the MACD agree to go long or short. I hope I'm making myself very clear. This you change it to default. Your risk will be 3. You will have to change it to 4. This is what I have done. You can play around with it, and I say OK. and then you'll see that you have got the buy and the sell arrows. These are just for confirmation. So hopefully this is the chart setup what I have. In the next videos I'll be telling you where I went long, where I went short, and what are the reasons for me going long and short, and what are my profit levels. Thank you.